If you use Opera every day, learning how to configure shortcuts can save you a huge amount of time and make browsing feel much faster and more comfortable. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure shortcuts in Opera step by step, so you can customize the browser around the way you work. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top left corner and click on the Opera logo. This is where you'll find the main browser menu and access to the settings area. From the menu, go down and click on settings. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also usually access settings another way, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with the easiest method. Inside settings, look for the features option and select it. Opera organizes a lot of its customization tools inside this section, so this is the area you want to be in if you're changing how the browser behaves. After that, scroll down carefully until you reach the shortcuts section. Depending on your screen size, it may take a moment to find it, so just keep scrolling until you see it. Once you reach shortcuts, click on Configure Shortcuts. This is where Opera lets you manage and personalize shortcut actions for different browser features. Here, you can view the current shortcut setup and edit the shortcuts for the features you want to use more efficiently. For example, if there are browser actions you use all the time, you can assign them to shortcuts that are easier for you to remember and faster to press. Take your time here and go through the list carefully. The best way to do this is to focus on the features you use most often, then change their shortcuts to match your workflow. That way, you're not wasting time digging through menus every time you want to perform a common action. Once you've made your changes, make sure everything looks correct and then simply close the settings window. Your new Opera shortcuts will now be ready to use. And that's it. You've just learned how to configure shortcuts in Opera. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in your daily browsing speed and productivity. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.